Today's episode of How Fucked Up is Fucked Up. Can a hillbilly change his air filter?
Give me a second to find the goddamn fucking...
It's bright yellow.
Oh, wait, it's not like one you get the feel for.
It's bright yellow. Alright, now to the...
Fuck, this thing's hot as hell.
Yep, okay, shove it in the hole.
Oh.
Alright, now find your air filter.
This it?
Yep. The screws won't pop out, by the way. Those are captive. I already checked.
Okay, so we're not gonna like lose them.
Hey, let's check if your engine queefs.
Nope.
That's your engine oil. It's not gonna pop out. It's a bit warm. Actually, it's really warm.
Don't do anything that's gonna get me hurt today.
That's the coolant's what you don't fuck with. It's pressurized. Everything else in a car isn't pressurized fluid-wise. Trust me, I know about that one the hard way. I've always done a hot oil
So
changes.
is it, how many? 3?
Yeah, 3.
Alright, when do I know when it's like all the way out?
You have to guess.
Okay, I'm gonna assume that one's out.
Make sure you don't burn yourself. No, I'm not tightening it. I'm feeling it.
Don't burn yourself on the pipes.
Owie, that burns.
Is it really?
Yes, it's mildly hot. So these are your AC recharge points. Yep, that's a smart one. Hey, you want to hear what a gun sounds like? Tight.
No,
I'm just
don't.
checking that everything's
I don't need
tight.
burn marks before I go to work.
I'm just checking everything you have's tight. Don't worry. Hey, I think you need to top off your washer fluid.
How much is left?
I don't know. You've been
What
using.
if I'm chewing gum while doing this?
Oh, hey, free tip. If you ever get a blown fuse and you patch it, chewing gum, shove the wrapper inside the terminal and then you can put gum on top of it and it'll hold.
Okay, so real quick while we have this open. Oh, there is something in the way there. We kind of have to push it up.
What?
If we were to just get the cords through there.
No, it's a fucking... What do you mean push it up? It's a radiator.
Oh, shit.
You're a smart motherfucker, aren't you?
How hot is it down here?
Not hot. It's an alternator.
Okay, we're good.
This is the, well, I think your engine's mounted differently, ain't it?
Now, like, you know those 2 holes down there that are big enough to stick a wire in?
Mm-hmm.
Is it going to be big enough for us to stick it through and then get it up?
This is the hot side of your engine. Nice job, you dropped the screw.
You said these were capped, right, dumbass?
They shouldn't pop out. I've never had them pop out. You're just lucky.
I probably just pushed it in too far. Pulled it out too bit. Let me tighten it a bit so I don't lose it.
Yeah, I just know when to stop because I want to keep down pressure. You don't want to do it lightly. Put it like this. It's not like a little kid. You don't have to be gentle. Oh, okay, what? Here's what I was telling you about with the mounts. Actually, these might be the same as Wrangler headlights.
Are they really?
Maybe.
If they are perfect, I'm getting the fucking halos. Not yet, but soon.
It's like a rat shit in your engine bay.
What?
It's like a rat shit in your engine bay.
Where?
All over, bro. You've never cleaned this. There's a dead mosquito.
Wait, move? Oh shit, yeah, you're right. Shit has died in my
I
engine.
could have been done in half the time down there, hillbilly.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Oh, did I get it?
Yep. Pull it off. Don't be a pussy.
Oh no, that one's still in.
Oh, yeah. I always yank it. If it don't come off, I yank harder.
There we go.
Pull it. The entire thing moves out of the way. Just
Oh fuck.
burnt yourself.
A little bit. There we go. So we gotta pull this shit out and put the new one in.
Here. I'll just grab it for you at this point. Hold
Okay.
this out of my way.
Hold this.
Okay, yeah.
Look how fucking nasty that motherfucker is. Like, don't know.
You mind if I step on it?
Like, show it first into it.
I did. What the fuck is this shit? It's black. Okay, I'm gonna step on it.
Hey, at least this looks fucking cleaner. Am I right?
It's what the fuck?
Yeah, but
No. Admire the difference.
Who must have bet they never changed that shit?
Yeah, it's dated. Let's see. Made in Czech Republic.
Oh, in Czechoslovakia?
No, in Czech Republic. Just, bro, are you that scared? It's the air box. Just, it shoves in. There's no, wait, is there a direction? Let me check. No, just shove it in.
Okay,
It's
well, hold the
unidirectional.
thing away so that I can get that shit in there.
Make sure you seat the edge. On this one, that's more important than anything else. Make sure that the pleats are going in. Hey, the pleats on the... You want me to put it in?
I got it. Just give me 2 seconds to actually...
Yeah. Pleats, shove them in.
I can't tell if it's seated, but it looks like it.
Yep, it's good. Here, now let me hold the camera. I'll tighten it real quick.
Okay. This shit again. Screwdriver's right there.
I'll teach you the trick with my... Here, I'll teach you my...
So this actually helps with the gas mileage, right?
Yes, it's how hard it is for the engine. Yeah, no. Now I get why it took you so long. This is a...
It's a bitch. Oh, is it just quicker just to do that?
It's a nut driver built in. You can...
Yeah, what'd you do?
Nothing. I could take your valve covers off with just a screwdriver. I'm just letting you know.
Oh, shit.
Yo, you want to take off the valve cover?
No.
I'm joking. Yeah. You're lucky you only have an inline engine. It makes it easy to work on.
Where's the fuse box?
The fuse box is over there.
Okay.
You get what I mean though when I said we had...
Where did that fucker end up?
Hold up.
Oh, shit. You dumbass. It is all the way down there. Oh, got it?
Yeah.
You dumbass.
You call me the dumbass. I've done this like 30 times.
Let me make sure this is pushed in.
No, it's just I screwed one side in all the way first. Which I know I shouldn't have done, but I did it anyway. Oh, let me loosen it a bit.
Oh.
Don't knock down your hood while you're at it.
No, I knocked my headphones into that shit.
Let me get this.
Why is there a time limit?
Oh, that's how much storage is left on my phone.
Ah, fuck. Okay, so we gotta like...
Yeah, once I get my new screen protector, you won't even be able to tell. My new phone comes in 2 weeks. I got an S22 Ultra.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna be out of town on Thursday.
Austin's parents are. On Saturday, I'll be out.
For what?
Your old air filter, though.
Holy shit.
Tasty.
Fucking, here, show that shit to the camera.
Bro.
Look how fucking nasty that shit is.
My wrist hurts.
Is this the last of it?
Not necessarily.
You're just gonna make sure they're all tightened.
No, I didn't tighten them all down all the way. You're supposed to do them evenly. Bro, why is Dodge so cheap? There normally are like 4 screws.
Is that factory too? Yeah, it is. It's Mopar.
Well, they could have just had it serviced at the dealer.
Well, no, it says Mopar on the side.
Well,
of
Mopar, yeah, they could have just had it serviced at the dealer. Mopar's in-house brand for Dodge. You know, I'm gonna pull the film. Let me see this. What's in here?
What the fuck happened there?
I'm pulling it apart. I want to see what's in here. Why is there a brown spot here?
Is there leaves in there?
This one. We need to do your cabin air filter.
Is that the thing that gets leaves?
You want to also order your cabin air filter while
Nah.
you're here?
I'm good. I'm more worried about gas mileage right now.
Yeah, cabin air is your AC.
Are we done in here?
Yeah, make sure, yeah, this has the bit, okay.
Did you get the bit off the thing?
Move your hand.
Slam.
Give me my phone real quick.
Okay.